Hi guys, today I'm going to be opening up 15 Large Quicksell packs that I got just by leveling up and getting golds. And now EA gives you like a crazy amount of golds just from leveling up. So you have 15 of them. So we have like 52,000 coins to start. And these days you can get golds for about 3,000. So that means that these 15 of them is worth about 90,000. So if we are going to be at 143,000 coins at the end of this video, then it's worth it. If it's less than that, then it's not worth it. More than it is worth it. Okay, so we pull trash. And first one. Ooh, 11,000 coins. That was a very nice pull there. Okay, nothing exciting in that one. 5,000 coins, not bad. Ooh, 10,000. More great pulls. Now we're at 90,000 coins already. Ooh, 12,000, we're on fire. We passed 100,000 already. Nothing special in that one, though. Only 2,000, so 32, 30 total. Still nothing that special. We've got 5 more. So to get to that, so we need like 25 or 26,000 more to get to that. 5,000, not bad. 123,000. Okay. Now we have 134,000. So we're gonna have to pull 9,000 in the last one for this to be worth it, and we don't. So we end up with 138,000. So that means that it's not quite worth it to do Large Quicksells, but it's almost worth it. And if you have a lot of gold accumulated from leveling up and stuff, and you don't want to auction them off and you want coins, that's definitely a good way of doing it. So I mean, it's almost worth it. We only got by 5,000, so we got like 85,000, which is pretty good. We did get some good pulls there. Anyway, so yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. See you next time. Make sure to like this video and subscribe.